Reporters to their hospital as they vaccinated their first group of frontline workers. This nurse was in that group.
About 17 minutes after receiving the shot, she took questions from reporters, and then this happened.
I did, yes. So, all of my staff, we are excited to get the vaccine. We are in a COVID unit, so therefore,